Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your OkCupid account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your OkCupid account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in okcupid.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for OkCupid login like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the okcupid.com over here. Click on there, and on the first result, which we will hear from the direct web address okcupid.com, and second is the search result from Google itself. You can see both of these websites are same explosion of these. Now to log into your OkCupid account from your computer, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and after that you'll be required to enter your email over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on next to sign into your Cupid account. Or if you want to log into your Cupid account with your phone, you can see the login with phone, and you will be required to enter your phone number over here, and after that click on next, and then you will be sent a verification code on your number. And on the next step, when you click on next, you'll be required to enter that 60-digit code, and after that you'll be logged into your OkCupid account from your computer. Or if you have not yet created an account on Cupid, you can see the join OkCupid option available over here. Click on join OkCupid to go through a procedure to create an account on OkCupid. And there guys, this is how you log into your OkCupid account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.